So this is cutting-edge research in string theory. In fact, some people argue it's not even science yet. It's a lot of very interesting mathematical speculation. It has not yet been tested experimentally, and in fact, there's not very many experimental tests that have even been proposed. But the idea is that if we can get a good understanding of string theory would unite quantum mechanics, which explains the very small, the interactions within atoms, and general relativity, which explains the most intense gravitational fields. Then we could explain the very beginning, which is a very small singularity, or at least a small event at the time of the Big Bang with a very intense gravitational field. String theory points to an explanation for the Big Bang in terms of multidimensional space and colliding membranes. And it suggests that our universe was formed in this way, and in fact that there is some sort of mother universe from which many universes could form. However, there's many variations of this proposal at this point, many variations, and lots of speculation. It's a very open area of research at this time and not a lot of consensus. I think it's a very interesting area to pursue, but until it's been tested experimentally, I'm not going to give it a lot of weight or worry about it too much. As Christians, it's interesting to consider how these cutting-edge ideas might interact with our faith. On the other hand, if they don't end up panning out, then it's not going to be a concern of how it interacts with our faith. There are a few experiments that are going to come online in the next few years in particle physics and in measuring the intensity of gravitational fields that might give some input into these models and help them firm up and become better models that make more specific predictions.